Hey guys, it's Baker here. Today, I'm exploding my volcano that I made. I already exploded it once, and I'm going to explode it once again. Hopefully it doesn't blow up in my face. I'm also with my papa today. Yay. Okay. Whoa! Thing just goes. This is what I'm supposed to look at the school, but the thing didn't go right and it turned yellow.
It's still
And it's still going.
they didn't do the
It looks orange on the camera.
What did you put in there, Becky?
I put baking soda, vinegar, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Well, no, not vinegar. So 1 tablespoon of baking soda. I think 1 tablespoon of water, 2 tablespoons of water, 1 tablespoon of Dawn soap, then half a cup of vinegar, and
1 tablespoon of red.
food coloring.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe we can explode it so that it goes more.
Okay.
All right.
Everybody
Are y'all done? What do you mean? More vinegar? I think it's all done. It didn't look like that when you brought it home the other day. It was clean. Did she wipe it up?
But he got the temperature again.
This is what scientists do. Experiment.
You can't put it in there anymore. You got to clean it up.
The assistant said you got to clean it up. They gave Grandpa here for the assist.
A big mess.
It is. Alright, Vacay out, even though he's not here, because he is in there trying to get some more baking soda and things. I don't know where it's going to go in there.
There's only one?
Maybe not. I don't know.
Oh, God. It's going some more.
I didn't get on the baking soda.
Okay, Vacay, hurry up. It's chilly.
Good job, man. Fantastic.
Back, go get the vinegar.
Now,
Hurry up.
Super cold.
I might have put it away. All right, here we go.
we are exploding the volcano even more. Yay! It exploded. Yay! I got the thing to explode even more. Anyways, we did the volcano that I wanted to do. There was also a school project. This was very fun. I recommend you guys to do it sometime. Anyways, JK out.